Hi, this is Maria from Maria's Garden in Punta Gorda, Florida. And this is my friend Carmen.
Hello guys.
She comes from close to Tampa. She drive 2 hours.
Yes, but it's worth it.
I feel bad for her. Anyway, you have anybody who wants to say hi or throw a kiss or
My
not?
daughter Bianca, she's gonna love it when she sees me.
Oh, hi Bianca. Wish I meet you one day. Anyway, nice lady. Anyway,
Thank you.
this is serious, guys, okay? This is not a joke.
Yeah, I love her hat.
This is totally serious. This is the Staphylia.
Cute.
This is the Staphylia flower. I figured out, I put it in my hair. That way you know how it looks when it's open and how it looks when it's not open. It's a beautiful, this is the plant. This one over here, okay? So what we're gonna do today, we're gonna show you how to separate it, to propagate it. It's an easy technique. Okay, what we're gonna do is, this is the Staphylia, okay? We have all bunches over here that I just pull out, they're hanging too much. Ooh, I'm gonna get dirty. Of course I am. That was new. Anyway, I'm dirty 24 hours. Anyway, so the Staphylia. It's a lot of different types, the same family, little flowers, big flowers. You go to Pinterest, I hope you understand what I'm saying. But sometimes you don't, you always can question me, doesn't bother me. Anyway, this is the Christmas cactus. I find out from my friend, Sunny Sky. Hi, Sunny Sky. Hi, Sunny Sky. You know what you're doing with your cactus, man. Anyway, he told me, Maria, it's a Christmas cactus, it's a Easter cactus, and it's a Thanksgiving cactus. And he goes, the Easter cactus bloom in Easter, the Christmas cactus bloom in Christmas, and the Thanksgiving cactus bloom in Thanksgiving. Can you believe that? So he gave me a link to go look. So I went and looked in the link. It's amazing the collection they have. You get like, in Thanksgiving, there's the season for the Thanksgiving cactus. So you get like 4 different colors for $16. And then in Christmas, you get like 4 colors. It's a little pack. It's a little pack for $16. So I'm gonna put a link in there, okay, for the cactus. You be amazing how beautiful they are. You get 4 for $16. And I think, I'm not sure, but I think it's free shipping. So I ordered some. Thank you, Sky, Sunny Sky. You are the best, and for helping. And anybody that goes in my channel, feel free to write in my channel. I'm not gonna get upset. We all helping each other, remember? So now we're gonna get to business. First of all, this is how the Staphylia grows. Grows down, okay, grows down like this, and then what happened? It start having flowers. Bunch of flowers. Like for example, I have one in my house in the canal. I live in the canal where there's a wall, a seawall, and the thing hangs full of flowers. You can put it in a little hill also, like in the flower beds, and there's full beautiful. Anyway, over here I have some already cut, dry. I dry them for 7 days already. So what Carmen, my friend, you don't come over here. You gotta help when you come. You don't come not just busy with nothing. I always put you to work. So she's gonna plant this. She's gonna show you how to plant them, okay? She's gonna just plant them there, okay? All these are dry, and she has her little pots over here, very light, pimas, perlite, and of course the osmocote. And this has to be dry for cuts. Okay, and this is for any type of cuts. So she's gonna plant them when I separate this. Okay, how you separate this? You see that? Anything that has joints. Okay, anything that has joints, you cut it by the joint. This is a joint. We cut it here. So I'm gonna do this, and I put it here to dry. Here, it's a joint. So I usually clean the sap real good, and then put it like that. That way they don't touch. You see that? So this one I can cut it here. You see that? So it has 2 little cuts in here. I'm gonna dry them. And just put it like that. This one I can make, I think 4. See that? See that? Just cut it like that. What I used to do in my old videos, I used to cut it with the scissors. Not anymore, okay? This is an update. Okay, yeah, I hear flies. Oh,
They're
flies!
after you. They're after
The
you.
flies after me. The people that know this plant, they know what I mean. It's beautiful, but the flies. So you clean this up, squeeze as much as you can, clean this up, and I'll just put it like this. That way they don't touch each other. And that's what Carmen is doing. And you see that? I'm gonna move this. Okay.
2 on each is good?
No, put a lot.
A lot
Yeah,
more?
la. Yeah,
Gee.
people like them full. And then you don't even have to worry. You just go like this, Carmen. Look, choops.
Yeah.
Okay. Done. So anyway, that's how you separate them. This one is too big. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna cut it, and you cut it. You clean the sap over here, like this. And this one too, we're gonna plant it. But I'm gonna cut this a little bit, a little bit of roots to give you a new start. Okay, so see, and you clean this up a little bit, put it there. This one more, you see that? So you cut it here, and look at it. You cut it here. You have 3 pieces. You don't have to punch a little cutting. And this propagates very easy. You dry it for 7 days and do what she's doing. Plant it and dry PMAS and perlite, okay? So this is it. This is one way you can do it, okay? Put it to dry. We'll put it to dry for 7 days. Okay. Other way that I can do it, and that's very, very, you don't have to dry them. What I do is, have my PMAS, my perlite here. And don't forget this, okay? The osmocote. So what I'm doing is, this is one. See this? I like to leave it like this. Because if I leave it like this, believe it or not, this worked for me. And I went and buy myself a gallon. Good stuff. I don't mess around, huh?
Where do you get them?
Home Depot.
Home Depot.
A lot. So what I do, put the glue there. If you don't want to dry them, stick them there, and the dry has to be dry soil. This one, clean it, has a little root, but still, I'm not gonna take a chance. And you're gonna understand next week why I use the glue. I have a lot of stuff coming up in my channel. You're gonna understand why I'm so into the glue. I'm doing a lot of testing in different things, and things are working. You see this? Got it here. I know. The flies bothering you?
No, I hear them.
So you clean it here with the glue, and this is when you don't want to waste time. As long as your soil is dry, you stick it there. Throw this. I like to clean the sap because the sap has a lot of babies. You know. I'm gonna take this flower soon, guys. So stop bothering me. Like this, and there you are. You don't have to dry them, okay? Like this, as long as you put the glue, okay? And this is just 100% sure, 100% because I tested. Otherwise, I will not tell you. So this, like this, just like this, okay? Just like this. I'm gonna close the top because I don't want the water to go there, and I'm gonna put the glue in the bottom, and just go like this, okay? Come on, baby. Be nice. Okay, there you go. Okay, and there, and there you go. So there you go. You see this?
She's fast. Gee.
Put this over here. I had to be.
I know.
My friends don't like me to mess around. Just get it done, Maria. They
Just
say.
do it.
Get it done. Don't go blah blah blah. So anyway, you see that? Squeeze it there, and then you have your estaphilia without have to dry it. If you use the glue. If you don't use the glue, you have to dry it for 7 days. Okay. Okay. There you go. Let's forget about this. Let's talk about this. This. Okay. I know it's a little flower there. Is that cute?
Wow.
They flower a lot. You plant them in 2 months, they're flowering. Yeah.
Wow.
Anyway, this is the Christmas cactus. Why? Because the Christmas cactus has these little things over here, and the one that is the Easter is just nice and oval, smooth, like more like oval. And if I'm not, sky, you watching the sky, sunny sky, correct me, but I think I am. Anyway, this last week I was cutting it. Remember in my other video? Well, like I said, I do a lot of testing in my greenhouse daily. I think and I test some things. Not anymore cutting. Twist the joints. Okay? So what you do is a mess in here, and I'm gonna tell you why. Because rain a few minutes ago, okay? Rain a few minutes ago. So what you do, you twist them just like this. Twist them over here. Twist, no cut anymore. In the joints. Twist it in the joints. Twist it over here. You twist it over here, and you twist it over here. So this one too. So it's all about twisting. You anything that has joints, this is what you do. You twist it. Twist, twist, just like this, and there you have your little pieces. And these little pieces, you dry them for 7 days, and you just plant them here. Or if you don't want to dry them, if you don't have patience to dry and you don't want to mess around with drying, we have a new system. The glue does it. I'm telling you. What I did last week, I did this, and I tested like this, and I'm gonna show you. Just I did this because it's too much to be doing one by one. So what I did, I even it out nice, like this. I like to put a lot. I don't know why, but I like them full and nice. I don't like one or two little like this. And what I did, I went and do this, okay? And I know some people test and they know that works, okay? So what I did like this, I open it, and then what I did, I don't know what it is with this glue, but this glue works. Put some Osmoco there, and there you are. There you have your Christmas cactus without waiting to dry. What's gonna happen? This is gonna make a little pouch in the bottle, dry, and it's not gonna rot, and it's gonna dry and be very, very sufficient, okay? And this is your Christmas cactus without waiting to dry, okay? Other thing I like to talk to you about this. If you can get close, Lucas, I buy this for the video, okay? I usually buy it by 100 pounds for my nursery. I don't buy this, but I purchased this for you guys to look what I'm talking about. Osmoco, flowers and vegetables, okay, and fruits, okay? And it's 14 over here, and it's FDA approved. So this is what you need. The best place to buy it is www.amazon.com, okay? And Amazon, because it's cheaper, you can find it. Anyway, I'm gonna let you go because I don't like my videos too long. If you guys any questions or anything, let me know. I think we covered it all up, no, Carmen?
Perfect.
We did.
Everything.
We
Yes.
did. And look at it. She got. Oh, you're too fast for me, girl. You gotta slow down. Now you smell like staphylia. No, no, that's the staphylia smell. What smells this? But I love these flowers. Look at this. Anyway, I will put the link in the bottle for the succulents, for the beautiful Christmas cactus that has flowers.
So no water for this?
No water for this at all. Good question.
For how long?
Look at you.
I have to ask 'cause I
No
don't know.
water until you pull one out and you see the roots in that.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
And then you start
remember
lightly watering it.
Yeah.
Lightly. Ah, you gonna quiz me?
No, I'm just, I want to know for me and for the people.
No,
who's
for the people that's watching, you're right. You keep an eye for them. So anyway, like Carmen said, when we water, you water when you pull one and you see full of roots. Otherwise, don't water. Okay? It's about a week, 8 days, and that's it. The same thing for this. The same thing for almost all the cuttings. Until next time from Maria's Garden. Bye bye,
Bye, guys.